Next, Alya, is yan movie for a resolution na imbita kita kunin mga signatories del este manifesto, which consists of all the assistant general managers, 4 persona, el head del legal department del water district, and some other department and division managers, as well as akal mga OICs sa mga alto position ta agara Kenya pinmalya 25 persona sila. So ay imbita kita kanila to shed light, no, on these allegations that they made in the letter, to specifically, no, man-discuss ka natin si cosas one, el issue or allegation del abuse of power and authority, quien ese gente abusa su poder ali adentro, cosa tan threaten, cosa tan coerce, tapos sa ase mga cosa mga type of tamanda kanila ase na violative del ila trabaho. And in ikados issue na kaya kita contesta dahil aklara ka natin is an issue del corruption and malversation of funds allegedly happening namin na water district. So cause of particular transactions quien tamen el gente invuelto ali, and then el ikatres, no, yung pedio sa kaalya ng di ila letter is el tres issue or allegation is el violation del Procurement Act, no, meaning na el mga projects kilaya ko na na bidding, in short, no? So kaya sila transparency ginda na para ginda na contractor or supplier hindi tan pabor-pabor. So ese el mga things na kaya kita, mga issues na kaya kita contesta at the soonest possible time para pwede kita mira con ese liabak con ese na dialogo tamen del water supply plan diato. So otro dialogo junto con el mga signatories na manifesto, otro tamen akal del water supply plan kay akal alya akal del intero yan ng water problem diato na syudad sa Zamboanga. Tan tackle kita particularly el problema ali ng water district kay importante kay el water district el quien taman mira pati taman niya kung na distribution of water kita nato na syudad sa Zamboanga. Okay, whatever comes alya Sanggunian will be doing this in aid of legislation. So we will come up with a resolution or an ordinance in relation na cosa kita diskubri para hindi na sa pasauli. Now, if there will be filing of cases kung Kenya viola na lay, that will be an action that will be taken by these individuals, no, Ken ay para as complainant, that will be brought to a proper and another venue, hindi kay El Sanggunian. So this might be, if this is a criminal case, doon sila kung nasiman file, then that's up to them. But el diato na liyan na Sanggunian, we will try to come up, no, clear these issues, el mga gente involved bali, pwede contesta, cosa sila contesta, no, and then para pwede ma-resolve, no, el diato na li aregla, no, cosa el problema ng water district, no, si channel filing their cases subsequently, that will be an action that will be taken by these individuals at the proper venue. So kilaya taman sila kung nasa ma-resolve if this is something internal lang, o dila-dilang problema, si channel manera kilaya taman sila kung nasa ma-resolve, we will leave it up to them. El di atun pwede kita pa sa proprio lay para hindi na no, man recur el issues ansina na sa mga city water district.